Hello, 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 all my handsome students. You all handsome students are going to learn today about the same word. I am calling you handsome. Yes, my handsome students, today's topic is handsome. Friends, generally we think handsome has only one meaning, means any attractive person, any good looking person. But my friends, handsome, this word has many more meanings we are going to learn today. Let's start handsome, but before we go ahead, we have to learn correct pronunciation of handsome. Do not speak handsome. This is not handsome. This is handsome. Okay? I hope you are going to pronounce the word correctly. Okay, let's start. Handsome. Handsome, different meaning. My friends, the first meaning of handsome, before that, what I said, we have to be quite careful about the pronunciation, my friends. Pronunciation, uchcharan kya hai? Handsome. Look at the screen, handsome, and the phonetic spelling is also here for your comfort. Handsome, it has many meanings, but the first one is it is used for an attractive man like you people. It is used for an attractive man. Let me show you a picture of very attractive man. Okay, Anuj. Anuj is a handsome boy, very attractive and good looking. He is a handsome boy, and generally, friends, we use handsome only for this meaning, any attractive man, but it has many more meaning. Okay, let's go ahead. But before that, Anuj is a handsome boy, and you students are also very handsome. Do not speak handsome. Let's go for the second one. The second meaning, friends, it is a large or ample amount of money. Friends, handsome is used for a large or ample amount of money. बहुत बड़ी रकम के लिए, बहुत बड़ी राशि के लिए. दोस्तों, हमने देखा है कई बार इंडियन वेडिंग्स में लोग a large amount of money spend करते हैं, sometimes uselessly, ample amount of money खर्च कर देते हैं. तो we can say they spent handsome amount of money on her daughter's wedding. And one more example, friends, look at the picture. That lady earns handsome amount of money every year. She works in a very big MNC and she earns millions of dollars every year. We can say what? Look at the sentence. She is a financially sound lady. वह आर्थिक रूप से बहुत ही मजबूत लेडी है. Why? As she earns handsome salary. As she earns handsome salary. Friends, handsome is not only for a good looking or attractive man. It has one more meaning, that is ample amount of money. Understood? And I wish you to earn ample amount of money. You earn handsome salary. Okay, friends, and let's go for the third one. What is the third meaning of handsome? It is for any object or building. Any object or building, large, attractive, and well made. So many buildings we have in the world, but today I am going to show you one building in India, in New Delhi. Look at the screen. That is Lotus Temple, world famous temple. And the building, what is the sentence? Lotus Temple is a unique and remarkably handsome building. do not use handsome only for a man. We can use handsome for a building as well if it is a building large, attractive and well made. So we can say Lotus Temple is a unique and remarkably handsome building. So friends, now you are learning handsome has many more meanings, and the next one is, my friends, look at the screen, handsome victory or win. बहुत बड़ी विजय, बहुत बड़ी जीत जो बड़ी आसानी से हासिल कर ली गई हो। आप सभी तो क्रिकेट मैच देखते हैं, फुटबॉल मैचेस देखते हैं, हॉकी के मैचेस देखते हैं। जब दो टीमें मैच खेल रही होती हैं और एक टीम बहुत बड़ा स्कोर करती है और दूसरी टीम को बहुत ही जल्दी कम स्कोर पर आउट कर देती है और बहुत बड़े मार्जिन से मैच जीत लेती है आसानी से, तो हम ऐसी विक्ट्री को हम कहते हैं दोस्तों हैंडसम विक्ट्री और हैंडसम विन। I am going to show you a scorecard. Look at the screen. This scorecard is related to ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021. Afghanistan scored 190 runs for 4 wickets in 20 overs, while Scotland scored only 60 runs in 10 overs, all wickets down. So we can say that Afghanistan had a handsome victory against Scotland. Look at the sentence. Afghanistan achieved a handsome victory against Scotland in Men's T20 World Cup cricket. So handsome is not only for man, it is for building, it is for a victory as well. And friends, one more meaning of handsome is, this is a proverb, handsome is one who does handsome. आपने सुना होगा, अच्छा वही होता है जो अच्छा कार्य करे। दोस्तों, never judge any book by its covering. कभी भी किसी पुस्तक को उसके कवर से, उसके जिल्द से, उसके आवरण से परखने की कोशिश मत करिएगा दोस्तों। सिमिलरली, यदि किसी व्यक्ति का लुक अच्छा हो तो उसका सलूक भी अच्छा हो, ऐसा संभव नहीं है हर बार। तो हैंडसम इज वन हु डज हैंडसम मीन्स, एक कहावत है दोस्तों, हैंडसम इज वन हु डज हैंडसम मीन्स one's character is more important than his physical handsomeness. यदि व्यक्ति चरित्र से अच्छा है और लुक वाइज यदि 19 भी है, कम भी है, तो उसके कैरेक्टर के नाम से हम उसे ज्यादा हैंडसम मान सकते हैं दोस्तों। लुक एट द पिक्चर, what the picture says, generally we think that policemen are hard-hearted, but this policeman is soft-hearted. He is helping an old man crossing the road. We can say that his character is really very good. His behavior is really appreciable, and we can say, we can use this proverb for such kind of people. Handsome is one who does handsome. जो अच्छा कार्य करे दोस्तों, वही अच्छा होता है। आगे कुछ और पिक्चर्स को देखते हैं, बट एक सेंटेंस, वी शुड जज अदर्स बाय देयर एक्शंस, नॉट बाय देयर अपीयरेंस। आज दुनिया सिर्फ अपीयरेंस पर भाग रही है दोस्तों। इंटरनल मैटर को भी उतना ही हैंडसम, उतना ही ब्यूटीफुल बनाइए दोस्तों। Your inner beauty is beautiful, then if your inner beauty is handsome, then you are handsome. Look at some more pictures. Friends, the people came forward to help the helpless people, poor people, needy people during corona pandemic. And the sentence is, they may be homely by appearance, They may be homely, but they are the kindest man we rarely meet. यदा कदा ही हम ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं दोस्तों, तो इनके लुक पर मत जाइए, इनके सलूक पर जाइए। दोस्तों, इन्होंने क्या किया वही हैंडसम है, और जिस कारण से ये अपने कर्मों के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, इसलिए हम इनको बोल सकते हैं क्या? हैंडसम इज वन हु डज हैंडसम। Finally, I request all of you, okay, be careful about your look. Try to be handsome, try to look handsome, but do not forget, handsome is one who does handsome. I request all of you to do something special for your society and become handsome. Okay, to all my handsome students, bye. We'll meet with a new topic soon. Jai Hind.